Now let us consider an example of integral of calculus. Example of question is integration of x ex over 1 plus x square dx. Integrate. So this is among of example for many questions and of various topics that we discuss in this account. So how to solve this question from integration topic. So solution, given question says integration of x times ex over 1 plus x square dx. So this is difficult question that need to use a technique of integration and algebra to solve this question. So we are going to create a conducive environment or conditions that will help us to solve this question, because here you cannot solve by integration by part or any other technique. So we are going to use to create a conducive environment. So x times e power x is equal to, is same as someone write x plus 1 minus 1 e power x. So here now you're gonna find that no violation of principle of mathematics have been violated. So the same meaning as this. So this now can help us to solve the equation. So we're going to substitute. Let this equation 2, let this equation 1. So substitute equation 2 into equation 1. So this now we are replacing by this one. So becomes x plus 1 minus 1 e power x over 1 plus x square dx. So it becomes, by multiplying e power x inside, it becomes x plus 1 e power x minus e power x over 1 plus x square dx. So this becomes, by separating, x plus 1 e power x over 1 plus x square dx minus e power x over 1 plus x square dx. So this and this is the same. So by writing, so here now it cancel one square here. So it cancel using a square. So it becomes e power x over 1 plus x dx minus e power x over 1 plus x square dx. Consider integration of e power x over 1 plus x dx, and solve this by integration by part. Let u is equal to 1 over 1 plus x. So du dx is equal to negative 1 over 1 plus x square. So du now is equal to negative dx over 1 plus x square. dv is equal to e power x dx. Integrate both sides, so it becomes v is equal to e power x plus c, but c is equal to 0, so v is equal to e power x. Now from integration by part, you see that u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. So e power x over 1 plus x dx is equal to, our u is 1 over x, 1 over 1 plus x. V is e power x minus our v is e power x times du. Du as du is negative dx over 1 plus x square, that is du. Then it becomes e power x over 1 plus x minus, so minus and minus become positive, so it becomes e power x over 1 plus x square dx. So this is for integration of e power x over 1 plus x dx is equal to e power x 1 plus x plus e power x 1 plus x square dx. So this now from our equation now, from general equation, general equation where we ended from here, e power x 1 plus x dx minus e power x 1 plus x square dx. So this one, the answer is this. So we are replacing e power x over 1 plus x dx with e power x over 1 plus x plus integration of e power x over 1 plus x square dx. So it becomes e power x 1 plus x plus e power x over 1 plus x square dx minus e power x 1 plus x square dx. So this cancel, so remain e power x over 1 plus x. So integration of x e power x over 1 plus x square dx is equal to e power x over 1 plus x. So this is a general answer. Thanks.